Okay, so here we have the Bulgarian split squat. So first of all, we can do this in a couple different ways, whether we just start off with body weight, or we have one dumbbell, or two dumbbells on each hand. We're gonna start with the two dumbbells just for this example. Setting up is quite easy. What Kevin's gonna do is just show you how to find the distance between where your foot is and where your back foot will be on the bench. So we'll do it one of two ways. The first way, you can have your calves right up against the bench and take 2 steps of 2 feet forward, and then chuck your back leg up onto the bench. And you're in place, you know the distance. Or you can start by sitting on the bench, extending one leg out, and then just stepping forward into that position. And again, you've got your correct distance. Either one is absolutely fine. The way we want to set this now up is to make sure that you've got equal distance between your feet, around about hip or shoulder width apart. You're not too close together in those feet. You do want to allow yourself to have a tight brace in your core, so you're not allowing too much extension as you go down. As you go down, very, very slowly, we do want you to have your angle of your torso slightly forward. So you're dropping those dumbbells either side of your knee and coming back up. Now, what we don't want to see is, as you're going down, looseness through this torso and bending over and coming back up. We want to see an equal amount of work through the knee and the hip. Now, if Kevin was to stay super upright, this would be a bit more quad focused, where you'll see a lot of knee angle change. Whereas if he comes up and then goes all the way over, we'll see a lot of hip, but not so much knee change. So to start off, we want you right in the middle to get a little bit of both. And if your program then says quad dominant, we'll have you sitting upright in your torso. This is the main difference in how we want to set this up. Great exercise for quads and glutes, depending on how you position your body. Just don't forget that this is the most important part to keep the hip or the knee doing the job. Now, just quickly, we can do this with 2 dumbbells, which will offer more stability. If I wanted to challenge Kevin on his stability, I'll give him 1 dumbbell, which will be on the opposite arm to his working leg, and he'll try to control the balance throughout the whole movement without rocking over.